Alright, we're back on the G35 and the radiator came in. Now we just have to wait on the math. Alright? Stop saying alright. But got this taken now. I'm just gonna pop these out, take the radiator out, put the new one in, bolt it up to the condenser and fans, and wait on the math to get in. Don't pay no attention to this. Wait for the map to get in, and we fire it up. I'm also working on the gauge cluster inside. So it's pretty much ripped apart right now. But I'm gonna finish putting this in since it's here. Fill it up so you can start burping and finish on the inside. So when the map gets here, plug it up, and we're in business. Alright, y'all, so to finish out this video, yes, I'm at home. Little issue with the G35. I didn't finish recording. We actually got it to burp. Coolant's good, the whole system, no bubbles. Turn on the heater, everything is fine. Got up to temp, dropped a little, and it's fine. But I have a popping sound every so often revolutions of the crank on the passenger side, bank one. You guys understand better. On bank one, there's this, the engine, it'll idle smooth. Got it down to 600 and it'll go pop, 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 which scanned it and it said exhaust cam sensor. Put a new sensor in, it's doing the same thing, which leaves one problem: timing. So, I'm gonna pull the valve covers off, take the timing cover off, check the dowels, and see exactly where we're at. But other than that, the car is, engine's running smooth, it's running fine. So if it is, it's probably half a toot or toot, no damage. Like I say, she's purring fine, but hopefully, so first thing in the morning, I'm gonna rip it down and check the dowels and see where we're at. If that's the case, fix it, slap it back together. So, just so you guys know, I didn't record doing all that, so this is my finish up. So, appreciate y'all watching as always. I appreciate you guys so much who view the videos over and over and share them. Thank you so much. All right, so I'll catch you on the next one. And as far as this goes, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. I don't want to show y'all too much, but it's a sneak peek. All right, just there you go. So that's where the 240 is at. Videos coming on that later this week. Y'all have a good one.